Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is French Nobi, and in today's video we're gonna check out the newly launched Realme Buds Q2. So these are a pair of TWS earphones at the price tag of 2500 rupees. So if you're interested in this particular topic, then make sure to stick till the end, and let's hit that intro. Alright, so first we're gonna start with the unboxing. So we get a familiar Realme box with a picture of the earphones at the start. We have a yellow colored box, and when we open it up after cutting the seal, we first are greeted with the earphone case, and the earphones are outside it. So after taking out both the case and the earphones, behind it we get some user manuals, a yellow USB Type-C charging cable, and some earbuds. On the box, as you can see, there are some features mentioned like 88 millisecond super low latency, transparency mode, dual mic noise cancellation, and then active noise cancellation, 28 hours of total battery backup, and 10mm dynamic dual bass drivers. So these are some of the quick features of the particular product. So now, after taking off all the seals, as soon as we put the earbuds inside the case, for the first time, you should get a prompt on your phone. If the Bluetooth is turned on your phone, you should get a prompt to connect these. If you don't get that particular prompt, open up the case, there will be a button inside, press that button for 3 seconds and it should be in pairing mode, and you'll receive the prompt on your phone to connect it. This is because of Google Fast Pair, which is a very good thing. So after pairing it, go into Play Store and download the Realme Link app. So with that particular app, you can update the firmware and also customize all the settings for the earphone, like changing from transparency mode, active noise cancellation, and there is an inbuilt EQ mode and some other features like you can customize the controls and all that. It's pretty easy and pretty simple to understand. Now that the setup process is complete, I want to share some of my thoughts about this earphone after using it for about 2 days. So the case has a soft touch finish which feels good in the hand, but it is very slippery and it doesn't have a flat base, so it keeps rolling around if the lid is open or even if it is closed. I almost dropped the case once, so stay a little bit of cautious with that. And I have the gray one here, and yeah, this one gets smudged really easily, so be cautious if you get the gray one. Maybe put a case on it if you can find one. The lid has a very good snap while closing. It feels very satisfying. The buds and the lids are all held by magnets, which is a really good thing. They won't fall off on their own. And the lid has a little bit of flex, but it is nothing major. Now, the funny thing is that since it looks like an egg, my mom almost mistook it for an egg and was about to keep it in the freezer. So yeah, that's one thing. And as I already said, that Google Fast Pair works really quickly, and yeah, it is very easy and quick to pair. It shows the battery percentage of the earbuds and the case, and you can also check it from the Realme Link app. And yeah, it can pair with 2 devices at the same time, but will only work with one at a time. Now it has a USB-C port at the back which can be used for charging. I don't see anywhere any kind of fast charging is mentioned. I don't think it has any kind of fast charging, and it also doesn't have any kind of wireless charging. And the case takes about 1 hour to 1 hour 10 to 20 minutes to completely charge, which is quite good. There are touch pads on the earbuds themselves, which are very shiny and they have a reflective rainbow-like surface, and it gets smudgy real quick. Talking about the fit is great. They sit really well in your ear. It doesn't hurt your ear even after long listening sessions. But I don't really recommend wearing TWS earphones outside, because who knows when they may fall out and drop in some gutter or something. So yeah, I don't really wear TWS earbuds outside, and I wouldn't recommend you to do so. Now there are no volume controls on the earbuds, so you can customize all the other settings. So you have all your usual play, pause, next track, active noise cancellation, switching, and all those on both of the earpads. Now there is no wear detection of any kind, so music won't pause automatically when you take these out of your ears. Now the noise cancelling works pretty well, to be honest. It blocks most of the noises, but it's not a complete blockage. It's mostly fan noises and wind noises. Now the transparency mode is not good at all. You can't really hear anything once you start playing music. Even after you stop playing music, everything just feels muffled and kind of a little bit too amplified. Now the mics are really good. Here is a sample of the audio from the mics of the Realme Buds Q2. Alright, so this is from the mics of the Realme Buds Q2. This is the control environment. I'm inside a shopping center which is apparently empty. So yeah, this is how it will sound inside. So this is the audio from the Realme Q2 outside. It's a bit of windy outside and there's some traffic, not much. So yeah, this is how it sounds outside. This is Realme Buds Q2. Now talking about the sound quality, I feel that the sound quality is pretty good for most people. It's not as good as something like the Oppo Enco W31. It's the only other TWS that I have right now, so I can compare it with that itself. Okay, but it does the job pretty well. You need to burn them for a few hours before starting to use them as your daily drivers. So burning them like opens up the drivers a bit and it will sound really good after that. Also turn off the volume enhancer thing in the Realme Link app. It will give you a better output. So these have a 10mm of like bass boost drivers. So there is a bass boost plus mode in the Realme Link app. You can turn that on if you want extra thump, but it like muffles everything up. So yeah, if you're someone like me who mostly listens to hip hop and R&B music, these earphones will sound pretty good to you. Alright, the instrument separation is quite good, but every detail is not that clear. I keep it on the dynamic EQ setting in the Realme Link app, which sounds the best according to me. And yeah, that's about it from my side about the Realme Buds Q2. This was the unboxing and my first impressions about this. So yeah, if you like this video, then make sure to hit that like button. I'll leave the link to buy these in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. Those will be my affiliate links. Alright, so if you have any questions, shoot them down in the comments, or you can connect with me on my Twitter or Instagram. Links for those will be down below also. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.